What are you making?
We're making slime.
You're making slime?
Yeah.
Right, now we gotta let it, it said we gotta let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes.
Yep.
Hey, who got you this slime kit for Christmas?
That's Santa.
I think this one was from Grammy and Champy. Wasn't it? No? Oh, maybe Grammy called Santa and told him that you would really like a slime kit. Is that what happened?
So, you know that, I was all asking for slime.
You were asking for slime?
Uh-huh.
Hey,
What?
why don't you look up at the camera here and say, "Hi, Grammy, thanks for my slime."
Hi, Grammy. Thanks for my slime.
That Grammy, she's slimy.
No.
You're silly, Dad.
Yeah, you're silly, Dad.
it.
Silly, Dad.
Hey, Cam,
What?
can you sing me a song?
You wish you a Merry Christmas. You wish you a Merry Christmas on a Happy New Year. You wish you a Merry Christmas. You wish you a Merry Christmas on a Happy New Year.
Good job.
We're almost there.
Almost there.
Making
Yep.
the slime.
Alright, now we're gonna measure out 1 teaspoon of this stuff. Sodium tetraborate solution. Get all that? You know what that's called?
What is it called?
It's probably pretty nasty, but I'm assuming it has something to do with salt because it says sodium.
Sodium?
Sodium?
Sodium.
That's what salt is called. Sodium.
That looks like water.
Kinda. So now, hold up. No. I'm gonna need more of it. So hold on. Slowly measure out 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of that. All right. So Dad's gonna slowly pour this in, and you gotta stir. Okay. You ready to stir?
Yeah.
Stir it. Can you stir it good?
Yeah.
There you go.
I think it looks like slime.
Let Daddy try it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're supposed to stir this for a minute.
That's gross. That looks like boogers.
No.
This is the stuff, the sodium stuff
Yeah.
is what makes it turn green. Look, it looks like a big old snot.
Ew.
I can't touch it. Can't
Not
touch
yet. You gotta wait for all the stuff to be mixed, and then you can touch it.
What is
We
it?
are almost done though, buddy.
What does it smell like? It smells like green bean.
Smells like green beans.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What happened to your cheek?
What?
What the hell happened there? Show mom. Look, bud.
Whoa.
Slimy.
Slimy. We're making slime. Remy, this is the best part. Slime.
All right, so now we gotta put 1 more teaspoon of the liquid stuff. Where'd
Here.
it go? Oh, Mom's got it. Thanks,
Mom,
Mom.
a drip just got on my hand.
You're okay.
A drip got on your hand?
Yeah.
I don't think that that's the bad stuff.
Yeah.
No, I mean, none of it's gonna kill a kid.
Well, I hope not.
Let me start.
Hold on, let me mix it in. There you go. Okay.
I'll watch. Ooh, look at that spin.
Looks like flubber.
I was just thinking that. We used to call this flubber.
I was gonna say silver.
So now we gotta wait 2 minutes, and it'll turn into the color of your boogers.
Ew.
We gotta wait 2 minutes.
Shoo! Ew! You thought that was hilarious. You thought that was so funny. Ah, you're playing with my boogers? Ew! You like it?
Yeah.
Look at that. What's it feel like?
It feels like slime.
Yeah.
Hands are wet
Why are your hands so goopy?
because they're
Part of the
wet.
slime now.
Hey.
It's okay. Here.
Whoa.
Watch.
What's-
Ah! Look, Cam. It's hanging from my nose. Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, yuck.
Uh-oh.